Hey friends, my name is Aimee Rebecca and welcome back to my channel. We're in a different environment today, so sorry if the setup or the lighting is a little bit weird, but we're doing a plan with me video and I needed the desk space and my desk upstairs is a disaster. Could I have just cleaned it? Yes, but I decided not to. So today I am finally making my first 2021 plan with me video. You know, what better way to start planning for the new year than in March? It just took me so long to finally pick a planner, and then when I did, it took like pretty much a month to turn up. So yeah, this is when the new year starts for me. I'm finally ready to get organized. Personally, I love watching these kinds of planning / organizational type videos. I've never made a video like this before, but if you guys enjoy this kind of content, let me know because I am definitely up for making more of it. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. So first things first, I want to show you guys my planner. This is from the West 12 Paper Co. I found it on Etsy because I wanted to, you know, shop more of a small business. I think it's really cute. It's personalized, so it has my name on the front, and I will say that the quality on this planner is really good. It feels very sturdy. Even on the inside, the paper is very thick. Like, it just feels very good quality. I think I paid around £24 with this, including postage, which is a little bit more on the pricey side for me for a planner. But I just struggled to find a planner this year that had everything that I wanted, and this came closest. It still doesn't have everything that I want, which I will discuss later on, but this was the closest thing I could find. And what I liked about this was that you could start the planner at any month. So I ordered mine at the end of January to start in February, and that way I would still get 12 months worth of use out of it, except I didn't because it took a month to arrive. So that was kind of frustrating and something I would point out if you are going to order from this company. I'll leave the link in the description box down below because I think their planners are lovely, but that's a long time. Anyway, let me give you a quick overview of what's inside this planner for stationery nerds like myself who will enjoy that kind of thing. So first we have the little business card, and I think this is really cute because it says, "This beauty was handmade just for you," which means there's only one like it in the world, a bit like you. Sweet. And then we also have this little bookmark paperclip, which is really cute. First we have the whole year overview for 2021 and 2022, and then the next page is really cute because it has these little jars for this year's best bits, which I think is a nice idea. Then at the beginning of every month you get the monthly overview with space for notes to jot things down, and this was essential to me because my mind runs on a month-to-month basis, not on a week-to-week basis. Maybe that makes me sound like a crazy person, and I'm okay with that. Anyway, then for each month you get to set 3 different goals with your action steps, and then there's a little tick box to say if you've completed it or not, and then you have your monthly to-do list. For the week to view, they actually had a bunch of different options where you could choose how you wanted the layout to be. So I chose mine to have lots of space for notes and a to-do list and pretty much no lines, because my planner is like the inside of my mind. It's full of junk. I just need to get it all out. It's so many things going on at once, and so having lines and little tiny boxes just doesn't work for me. I need to sprawl out my thinking everywhere all over the page. And then at the end of each month you just get some space for notes. I do wish, this is me being picky, but I do wish it had like divider tabs for the different months and a little document wallet, even just a little piece of cardboard on the back page so I could stick, you know, my stickers in there or receipts or anything that's important. That's just personal preference, and I know that I'm very nitpicky when it comes to my planners because I'm a crazy person. So let's start planning. Because I am such a nerd, I spent yesterday making, not buying, making my own planner stickers. I have lots of different affirmations like I am enough, the universe has my back, put your positive pants on, all these different things that will really help me to keep upbeat and positive. Then I have these little books where I can write what I'm reading for the month. I've got a cactus just because I just like cacti. I don't know, things that I'll find useful in my planner. So the first thing I like to do when I get a fresh, crisp planner is to write down all of the birthdays that I can remember off the top of my head. I'm not good at remembering dates, so I need to get them down. I need to get them written somewhere. Okay, so once I've put in all the birthdays that I can remember, which is not that many actually, I'm gonna start planning out the next 3 months. My life coach told me that I should only plan out 3 months at a time because I'm very prone to being overwhelmed. So let's start with March. The first thing I'm going to do on the big monthly overview section is schedule out all of my YouTube videos. And I like to do that on these teeny tiny little post-it notes because these are subject to change. Like for instance, I wanted to upload this video 3 weeks ago. But because the planner didn't arrive in time, I had to keep pushing it back. So I like to be able to pick things up and move them around. So this is what it looks like when I plan out all of my YouTube videos. And I try and color code them according to category, kind of loosely. From here, I'm going to go in and add in any important information that is coming up within the next 3 months. Anything that I have planned. In a fun world where we were allowed outside, I would want this to be full of exciting things, but it's not. It's just a reminder that I need to get a B12 shot. Okay, next is the really fun part because I'm going to put in all my stickers and the inner 6-year-old in me is dying inside. Okay, so for each of the next 3 months, I chose one affirmation sticker to put at the top of the month. Then I have a sticker that says what I am reading or what I read, and then a little piggy bank that says what I earned. This is going to be the perfect monthly overview for me. Then throughout, I just like put a couple stickers here and there. This cactus makes me very happy, just so you know. Then to give you an idea, for instance, for May, I still have my positive affirmation, which is put your positive pants on. I have my what I read, what I earned, and then you can see I've got a little birthday sticker because it's my nephew's birthday, and I have a little doctor's sticker to show that my B12 shot is due. And I just love to have a monthly overview like this that is very visual with the stickers, that I don't even have to read it, I just know what's going on. Unfortunately, not much is going on in my life right now because of lockdown, so I don't really have that much to plan. But what I can do next is set my monthly goals. Okay, so let's be real, you guys. It's not the best time to get a planner right now because what am I planning for? I can't do anything, can't go anywhere, but it's still nice to be organized, and I just love having all my thoughts and appointments and things I need to remember in one place. And this is how I like to do it. Everybody's different, but for me, planning 3 months at a time works well, and just doing a monthly overview. Then on the Sunday before the week ahead, I'll go in and plan the week. But if I try and plan week by week without having a monthly overview, it's a mess. Otherwise my life just falls apart. This was my first time filming this kind of video. It was different, but I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want to see a follow-up of this, maybe I can do it every 3 months, like what I'm planning for the next 3 months. Hopefully in 3 months time I'll have more to plan. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that I love you all so much and you are enough just as you are, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.